This is a crisis. Our community deserves safety.
Shootings have been surging in Portland since early 2020, and this year is on track to set another new record. We've had 917 shootings so far this year, up from less than 400 in 2019. Portland city officials have promised repeatedly to find a solution. Thursday, it was the county's turn.
We haven't heard as much from what Multnomah County is doing, and we want the community to know that we're working together.
Calling for all hands on deck, Multnomah County's chair, sheriff, even the health department director vowed to invest millions to help stop the shootings. First up, the district attorney's office.
For many of the prosecutors in my office have been doing this for 20 or 30 years. Once in a career surge in this in violence crime.
Multnomah County is vowing to invest $1 million into hiring 4 new prosecutors and 2 new investigators. They'll help handle the overwhelming workload that is responding to homicides and prosecuting killers.
In just this year, in the first 8 months of this year alone, they've made 285 gun-related prosecutions, which is probably more than we've made in the last several years combined.
The county's also investing $2.8 million into public health programs, including a behavioral health response team of 7 mental health professionals who will respond to shooting scenes.
They're going to be in the field. They will be at the scene. They will be in the hospitals.
The plan, leaders hope, will strike a balance between short and long-term solutions. But they admitted change won't come quickly, which they know is what Portlanders want.
It was my turn to bat when I saw them pull out guns and start shooting.
Wednesday, 9-year-old Hadar Kadem stopped a Portland City Council meeting in its tracks with her harrowing story of running from gunfire in Rose City Park.
I want to feel safe.
Her speech accompanied something of a policy pivot for the city. In the last couple of weeks, Portland Mayor Ted Wheeler and Commissioner Mingus Mapps both publicly said they'll work to beef up the ranks in the city's police bureau.
I feel highly accountable for community safety.
This roughly 1 year after both voted to slash millions from PPB's budget. Since last summer, close to 150 officers have left the bureau, many frustrated by those cuts. Thursday, KGW asked county leaders if they agree the city needs to hire more police officers to get gun violence under control.
I believe the Portland Police Bureau is understaffed. They're under-resourced. They don't have enough officers to respond to all of the events that are happening in their community. They don't have enough.
Maggie Vespa, KGW News.